Alright, what up? So right now we're cooking, getting the chicken ready for the next couple of days. Buy my chicken from Kroger. Just buy the chicken breast and I cut it up into slabs.
We're gonna make some like chicken for like tomorrow or something.
Yeah, just for tomorrow or something. But I'll show you what spices I use and we go from there. But right now, I got the chicken like this. What I do is
And we even got pepper.
What's that one?
Salt.
Okay. So I get the one white side white. I flip it over. Oh shit. Huh? It should have taken entirely too long to flip. So anyhow, we got the chicken in. Got one side whitened. So what I'm gonna do, we're gonna take the salt, put it all over the chicken. That's good, Ben. That was a lot. We can take some pepper, put it all over the chicken, watch it hot. Then we got this special blend.
Let me do it.
Hold on, Mrs. Dash. Not really nothing in it. A little bit of potassium.
Yeah, we're almost out of it.
Yeah, we're almost out of it. You shake it all around, shake it all around.
Okay.
I don't need pulling a lot, babe. Alright, I gotta do this. Now let that cook, and then from there I'll flip it. We'll redo the same thing.
Daddy, can you give me my cup?
My jasmine rice.
Daddy, can you give me my cup?
Look at this. Let me just look at this. This shit's getting out of control with my bad eating habits. But anyhow, that's how I get my chicken ready. What I'll do is I'll cook it mostly, then I'll show you the next step. What I do is I take the chicken from here, put it over here, cut it up into small pieces. I put it in my pan. I turn the heat up. So I let my chicken brown. So it's still juicy. I'll brown it. It'll be cooked. Super good. Easy to eat. Like, I'm usually a turkey burger fan, but here lately I've just been getting put on to chicken. So if you don't know how to cook chicken, better ask somebody, because you better make sure that shit's done or it'll make you sick. That's what I'm always afraid of, because I don't know how whether it's done or not. I'm always sketchy, but this is how you do it. This is good. I don't know about this shit. I've been using this for a long time. I put a lot of people onto G-Hughes.
What do you think?
Sugar free. And I mean, look at it. This stuff is literally the best barbecue sauce I've ever tasted. This is the hickory. I just now tried the original. It's not bad, but it for sure is not the hickory. But it's good. It kind of bloats me a little bit, but I mean, if you're dead out on your chicken or your turkey burger, there's something to eat with it. It's really not that bad. It's a little bit better than her diet. Her diet. What are you eating?
Yogurt.
Have a bite? Huh? How about?
Hey guys, I just took my dad's rope because I need to use it for a minute, and I was nervous to be on YouTube, and he's cooking, so yeah. And I'm going to show you how to do basketball. Let's get started. So first, I'm going to set the camera on the table. Takes a long time. All right. Trying to fix it. It's going off this. There we go. So, hold on a minute. I'm gonna be right back. I'm back. Now, let's see if we can do some basketball skills. Alright.
Can you do between the legs?
What?
Can you do between the legs?
Yeah. I can do this. And I'm gonna do some basketball because it's really fun to do some basketball. But if you have a really long time to practice, because I'm old, or because I'm 6 years old,
about to skip. Alright, what up? We're on my way to my grandma's. Every Tuesday night I eat breakfast style dinner at my grandma's house. My grandma legit makes the best fucking breakfast that you could ever have in your life. But so I just made it like a tradition. Every Tuesday night we go over there and we eat and just spend time with her, because that's what you should do. Any of you that don't spend time with your grandma and grandpas or anybody like that, you'll regret that shit one day. I lost my grandpa, and to this day I just regret not seeing the dude like I should have. And he was just a cool dude, and my busy life, I let it take over and not devote the time to him that he deserved from me. So from that point forward, I made sure that my grandma's gonna know. So every Tuesday night we go there to eat. It's good. Is grandma's breakfast good? What you got on, Adidas? Alpha Elite? Daddy keep you styling? Huh? What's mean? What you vlogging?
No.
What you doing?
I'm playing a game.
What game?
A whole game where you get bigger and bigger.
You love your daddy?
Yeah.
How much?
A lot.
Like 1 million, quadrillion, bazillion, quadrillion?
Yeah.
That's not even that much.
Actually more.
Oh, okay. Well, as long as it's more, because I love you too. Are you even paying attention to me or the game?
Yeah.
Oh, your phone died? Oh, it sucks, bro. Your phone died? You can't get your charge on? You mad? Alright, so we're at my grandma's house. I'm gonna point out something here. This is what I made. I was like 17. More like grandma throw it away. It's in the car's in. Careful, babe. It's fragile. Like clips this, but make her keep that kitchen.
Put Leylah's pancake on.
With my hug.
Love ya.
Oh, yeah.
Can I hold the camera?
Yep.
Can I have a hug?
Mm-hmm.
I missed you last week.
Let me see.
Alright, here's what it is. Egg whites, turkey bacon, wheat toast, and wheat French toast.